Hi, it's Mike from Custom Cruisers. Beautiful universal solo rack here. This is obviously very adjustable. This particular one is officially for Triumph Thunderbird, but if you think about it, by modifying this and this slides, you can actually make this fit pretty well any bike you like. So you just make a new bracket for that, or perhaps your bike is that width. But great bit of kit, all billet CNC in Germany. This is all machined, you know, it's all loose, so I can show you how it works. And obviously this will slide to different heights. So if you wanted one with one hole, you could literally just make a bracket that went like that, okay? But obviously you wouldn't need to triangulate it. You'd need 2 bolts in one particular area, otherwise the thing would tend to rock, you know. But cracking bit of kit, as I say, German made, good quality. Give us a call, 01773 835 666, customcruisers.com, or the new site customcruisers.eu. Comes complete with all mounting bolts, a couple of extras as well. Thank you.